Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola One 5G Ace device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve the speed of your device, how to speed up your device. So now we will talk about why device is slowing down. So it's because time. So if you have both device 3 years ago, so now your device will slow down because new applications are using more processor performance, more memory, and more RAM. So okay, but sometimes if you are not taking a good care of your device is slowing down. So how to take a good care of your device to make your device faster, to make your device to keep your device in good feed. So now I will tell you. So first aspect that can slow down your device is memory, inbuilt memory. Inbuilt memory is a limited resource. So if you will fill your CD memory, your built-in memory, over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. So I suggest you not to fill your memory over 70%. If you noticed that your memory is filled over than 70%, as you can see, I have only 18% of full. So if you have here 70 and more percent, you need to free up memory. So here you can open, for example, games and check what games you are not playing. So just choose these games and remove it. Here you have other applications. You can remove unused applications too. Then you will have photos and videos. You can remove photos and videos, of course, but you can upload it to the cloud storage. For example, you can use cloud storages for free. You can use Google Drive, for example, gives you 15 gigabytes for free. So you can create several Google accounts to have several accounts with 15 gigabytes for free. So you can store your photos and videos in the cloud storages. Of course, you can select the other cloud storage. For example, Mega Drive gives you 50 gigabytes for free, and it's really good. And of course, here we have files. I have empty files. Trash. So, but I will show you how to remove harmful files from your device later. The second aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM. So all processes are running at the moment are running in RAM, and here again, who have both a device with more RAM memory will notice the slowing down later. So I suggest you from time to time clean your RAM. To do it, just click on the square button and unload applications. So if you have closed application, just close it from memory. And great, and in this way you will keep your device in good condition. And of course, the third aspect that can negatively affect your speed of your device is harmful files. Harmful files is the files that applications leaving after removing. After you remove application, or your application leaving junk files on your device. So to clean these files, you need to have files, Google Files application. Google Files, so let's check it. Google Files, it's pre-installed application. You can't remove it. This application is installed on your device. Click continue, open it, and here you will see clean icon. Click on it, and here you will see clean suggestions, junk files, temporary app, files taking up space. So just click clean, click clear. As you can see, in my case, it was 56 megabytes. So I suggest you try to clean trash files from your device and write in comments how many megabytes you have cleaned using this application. And that's it. I hope I have helped you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.